Jamie, you are my reason why every single day. I promise to always share in your dreams and goals with you. I promise to always support you and listen with an open mind. I promise to value and appreciate you. I promise to always protect you. My reason for waking up happy to start another day with you by my side. My reason for wanting to be a better person and a better partner.
We have thousands of important moments that happen throughout our lives, but this one is regarded as one so critical. We acknowledge it with a special status by sharing it with others. And why this moment? Because despite all of our differences, love is what we all share. It is the great unifier, our universal truth. No matter who we are, where we've come from, what we believe, we know this one thing: love is what we're doing right. That's why you're both standing here today.
I have never been more sure of anything because holding you in my arms at the end of every day washes away all my stresses, worries, and anxiety. That is my real happy place.
Jared, I can't believe this day is here. I have envisioned what I would say to you on our wedding day for so long. I have imagined being your wife from the moment we met, and the years we've had together have only made me more ready and grateful to fill that role in your life.
We all have loved ones in our lifetimes, and in this moment, we're reminded that the ability to love is the very best part of our humanity.
We're all here, we all love you, and this is like one of the greatest things that I've ever seen, and I'm so happy for you, and everyone here is so happy for you that you found that one person that makes you this happy, and we are so excited to celebrate this with you.
We just want to take the time to thank you and Jamie for a wonderful, wonderful wedding and so many years of happiness.
Yes, congratulations. We're so excited to be here to celebrate with you, and we're so happy for you. Congratulations.
Long, love, happiness.
Jared, you've been like a brother to me since day one, and I'm so proud of you and so happy that you found Jamie. Jamie, I love you, and everything is great. I can't wait to party tonight. Love you guys.
All of us here today have our own love stories. Some are short, others are long. Some are yet unwritten. We are here to hope with you, to support you, to be proud of you, and to remind you that love isn't happily ever after. Love is the experience of writing your story. It's not one moment, not even this moment. It's every moment.
Jared, your heart was exactly what Teddy and I needed when we found you, and the thing that told me to never let you go. You are the most gentle, warm, and loving person I have ever met, and just being by your side makes me feel safe and protected. You don't always have the words to fix what's going on in my life, and there's not always a clear action you can take to protect Teddy and I, but holding your hand is always enough. With you, I feel like I can conquer the world with one hand, as you are holding the other.
Teddy, do you have the rings? Can you please bring them forward? Jared, you have accepted Jamie and Teddy into your life with unconditional love. Jamie, you have returned that love equally and allowed yourself and Teddy to be joined and become a family. You're going to vow to take care of each other, to stand up for one another, to find happiness in the other. There's a simple premise to each of these promises. You're vowing to be there.
Today I promise that I will always protect your heart, never take for granted how open and generous you are with it.
I promise to always be the strength that you need because there is nothing we cannot accomplish together. I promise to always be there when your days are long and hard.
I promise to let you watch every Eagles game, drink every beer, smoke every cigar, never stop letting you be exactly who you are.
Most of all, I promise to work hard every day to be your rock and the best possible husband.
I said this a lot, but I want exactly what we have today for the rest of our lives.